Hi, today I'm with me Nokia G22 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the styles and wallpaper section. Click here to change wallpaper. Here we could use photos from our device gallery, previously taken photos on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also we could use one from these available default photos. Just let's select one from the available wallpapers. Here we could change the position of this wallpaper on the lock screen. We could see the preview, then tap on the right down corner to OK and tap to lock screen. Then just wait a second, we can see the message that the wallpaper set successfully. So let's check, and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just hold it for a while the home screen with your finger, then tap to wallpaper and style, and by the same way click to change the wallpaper. Select one from these available wallpapers or photo from your device gallery. Just you could see the preview here. Tap then, but wait a couple of seconds. This wallpaper should download. Just then tap to OK, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.